Welcome to this guided loving-kindness meditation. Begin by finding a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes gently if you feel comfortable doing so. And take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Allow your body to relax and let go of any tension you may be holding on to. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable and relaxed posture. Now let's begin our loving-kindness meditation practice. This practice is a way to cultivate feelings of love, compassion, and goodwill toward ourselves and others. It is a beautiful and transformative practice that can bring peace and positivity into your life. Start by bringing your attention to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen as you breathe in and out. Breathe naturally, without any force or effort. Now, as you continue to breathe, begin to visualize a warm and radiant light in the center of your chest, in the area of your heart. This light represents your own loving kindness, your capacity for love and compassion. Imagine this light growing brighter and more expansive with each breath you take. It's a gentle, comforting light that fills your entire chest, and with each exhale, it extends a little further, enveloping you in warmth and love. Now think of yourself. Imagine yourself as you are, with all your strengths and weaknesses. Hold yourself in your awareness, and silently repeat these phrases to yourself. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Feel the love and compassion in your heart as you offer these wishes to yourself. Allow these words to resonate within you, knowing that you deserve happiness, health, safety, and ease, just like anyone else. Now shift your focus to someone you deeply care about, someone you love unconditionally. It could be a family member, a friend, or a mentor. Visualize their face in your mind's eye and with sincerity, offer these wishes to them. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Imagine your love and well wishes extending to this person, enveloping them in the same warm and radiant light you generated in your own heart. Now broaden your circle of loving kindness. Think of an acquaintance, someone you may not know very well, but have encountered in your life. Picture their face and offer these wishes to them. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Feel the expansive nature of your compassion as you extend it to this person, recognizing their humanity and the universal desire for happiness and well-being. Next, bring to mind someone with whom you may have conflicts or difficulties. This could be someone you have had disagreements with, or someone you don't particularly like. Visualize their face and with an open heart, offer these wishes to them. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Challenge yourself to release any negative feelings and replace them with genuine goodwill. Understand that even this person desires happiness and peace. Finally, expand your loving kindness to include all living beings, beyond the boundaries of your personal connections. Envision the whole world bathed in the warm, radiant light of loving kindness. Offer these wishes to all beings. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease. Feel the interconnectedness of all life and the profound impact that your loving kindness can have on the world. Take a few more moments to sit in this expanded state of loving kindness, basking in the feelings of love, compassion, and interconnectedness. Now slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen once again. Know that you can return to this place of loving kindness whenever you wish. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. May the practice of loving kindness bring peace, joy, and compassion into your life, and may it radiate out to all living beings. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. My name is Francis. Namaste. If you enjoy this meditation with me, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.